Attention para sa lahat ng mga network marketers, leaders, newbie, techie ka man or hindi. This video is for you. Make sure na mapatapos mo to until the very end because I know that this will truly help you get the results that you want. Now, ano ba yung mga result na gusto mo? Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng more income, more sales, more downlines? Yung nag-join ka sa network marketing business mo kasi gusto mo magkaroon ka ng time freedom at financial freedom ng mas mabilis, then I believe you can actually achieve that if you know and you will discover the three strategies that I'm going to be revealing to you on this video. By the way, ako nga pala si Mabel Funtelon. And later on, I will be sharing more about me and paano kita matutulungan. But right now, with the three strategies that I'm going to be sharing to you and revealing to you here, ito pinabigay sa akin ng resulta na ganito in just 6 months time. I'm also a network marketer like you, pero don't worry, hindi ko introduce yung company ko sa'yo, hindi ko ipapakita yon, and I won't be recruiting you. I want this to be a safe space para matuto ka at mag-learn ka para sa sarili mong produkto at sarili mong kumpanya. In just 6 months time, nagkaroon po tayo ng 2.5 million income in 6 months, 1.8 million na car incentive, and a cumulative na results of 4.8 million. Now, that is something, bakit ko nga ba sinishare yan, is because I want to build your confidence that what I'm gonna be showing you is something na talagang proven and tested. Hindi lang sa akin, kundi pati na rin sa mga students ko rin na nagkaroon din ng resulta and even became millionaires in their own companies. Now, let's get straight to the point because I don't want to waste your time. Ikaw, nasa network marketing business mo ikaw because for sure meron kang goals, tama? Pag full-time ka ngayon, gusto mong mapalaki yung grupo mo, gusto mo na magkaroon ka ng passive income, makuha yung time and financial freedom mo, mahit yung ranks ng company nyo, incentives, and makatulong din sa maraming tao. Tama? Pag newbie ka and you're working full-time, or di kaya ito yung nakikita mong retirement plan for yourself, of course, you want to have a consistent income. Tama? Yung may benta ka araw-araw, magkaroon ka rin ng grupo, at ito yung magiging bread and butter mo. Right? If ikaw naman, you made this as your additional business, for sure, gusto mo ring lumago itong negosyo na to. Gusto mo mang makatulong din sa ibang tao. So whatever your goal is, I know that pumasok ka sa network marketing kasi meron kang goal, right? But alam naman natin, yung network marketing or direct selling or multi-level marketing, merong mga common challenges yan na na-experience mo ngayon, just like in any other businesses. So, syempre, the way we do things, we do prospecting, inviting, presenting, closing the deal, follow up, and magduduplicate ka pa, magbe-mentor ka pa ng mga downlines mo, right? And those are the process that you need to do in order for you to earn income and get results. So, baka yung challenge mo, nagpo-prospect ka, ngayon nahihirapan kang mag-prospect at mag-invite, natap mo na yung mga warm market mo, kakilala mo, kaibigan mo, no, nare-reject ka na ng paulit-ulit, naubusan ka na ng warm market, that's why naghanap ka na rin sa cold market, sa hindi mo nakakilala, ginagawa mo naman yung mga pwedeng activities, nag-a-attend ka naman ng training, pero ang tumal or ang bagal ng result. Yung iba naman, nagkaroon ka ng resulta ng mas mabilis, kaya lang hindi na naging tuloy-tuloy or sustainable after that. Yung iba naman, nag-try ng online marketing so that makapagdagdag ka ng pamamaraan mo para makapag-prospect at invite ka. Kaya lang, feeling mo walang nangyayari, walang resulta, or nag-try and error ka rin. Tama? So, yun yung mga common challenges and mga solutions din na ginagawa mo in order for you to overcome yung mga common problem when it comes to prospecting, inviting, at marami pang iba. Right? So, bakit ko nga ba sinabi yon? Because ikaw and yung goals mo, para makuha mo yung goals mo, syempre, yung bridge doon is kung ano nga ba yung mga solutions na gagawin mo. Ano yung mga actions na gagawin mo in order for you to get your goals? Again, yung goals mo, income, rank up, travel, grow your team, have consistent income. Wherever you are right now in your journey, I'm sure nasabi ko rin yung mga isa sa mga goals mo doon. And the common solutions that you take is kung ano din yung sinasabi sa atin ng mga mentor natin, yung mga apply mo. Hirap ka mag-prospecting at inviting, magdagdag ka lang ulit ng prospect at invite mo. Hirap ka, sipagan mo palalo, mag-attend ka pa ng training, i-motivate mo palalo yung sarili mo. Tama? So, yun yung mga common solutions na binibigay sa atin. So, pag ikaw meron ka na magandang network at the first place, syempre, mas mabilis yung resulta mo. Pero pag ikaw, yung network mo, na-tap mo na, or parang feeling mo, yung warm market mo, na-exhaust mo na, ang hirap din na magkaroon ka dito ng tuloy-tuloy na resulta. That's why ako, here are the solutions that I have discovered. A disclaimer, itong mga solutions na to, I discovered this the really hard way. Because ako mismo, sabi ko sarili ko, yung network marketing, I discovered this when I was, kakagraduate ko lang po ng senior high school. And I saw this as a career. So sabi ko, hindi pwede na hindi to maging long term. Hindi pwede na hindi ako magiging successful dito. Kaya whatever it takes, kailangan alam ko kung ano yung mga pamamaraan para maging successful ako dito. And yung mga common na sinasabi ng mga mentors or mga uplines, I really tried it. Ginawa ko lahat yun. I had my own first car. Nagka-grupo ako, nagkaroon ako ng resulta, pero hindi siya naging tuloy-tuloy, hindi siya naging consistent because of the challenges that I face continually. Hirap ako lagi pagpo-prospect, sa pag-i-invite, pagpe-present. Alam naman natin, kung wala kang prospect at invite, matik na. Wala kang mape-presentan, wala kang mako-closing, wala kang follow up. So lagi, problema, prospecting and inviting. So itong mga solution na to na na-discover ko, hindi lang po ito one-time thing, kundi ito yung solution na until ngayon for the past 7 years of my journey here sa network marketing, tuloy-tuloy ko siyang ginagamit, hindi lang dito sa network marketing business ko, kundi sa iba't ibang negosyo na na-try ko, nasubukan ko, at ginagawa ko. And I believe that once you also learn how to integrate this at gawin mo to sa negosyo mo, I'm sure that you will also get the success that you want. So, anong unang-una po na solution na discover ko? It's automation. Automation po, yes. Baka ngayon na-intimidate ka, "Ay hala, automation 'di ba yun yung sa online, yung sa digital, yun yung baka hindi para sa akin 'yan, hindi ako techie," 'di ba? Or baka sinasabi ng mga upline mo na, "Wag ka na mag-reinvent ng wheel, ito lang makinig ka lang sa akin, magdagdag ka lang sa prospect list mo and all those stuff," right? But automation changed the game for me. Why po? Kasi automation gives you the power to leverage or magkaroon ka ng sistema sa mga bagay na paulit-ulit mo naman ginagawa. For example, prospecting, inviting, presenting, di ba? Araw-araw mo pong dapat gawin yon. And yun yung time-consuming talaga. And tayo, pag networker ka, ikaw yung sanay na ikaw yung naghanap ng prospect, ikaw yung mag-aalok ng mga prospect, tapos lagi kang nare-reject, tapos laging limited din. Di ba? Yung makakausap mo everyday. When I discovered automation for my business, and I learned this a very, very hard way, nag-aral po ako ng iba't ibang mga courses, nag-enroll po ako sa iba't ibang mga mentors, and then talagang sacrifice din talaga ng time because I had the luxury of time before, bata po ako nag-start. But when I implemented automation for my business, yung prospecting and inviting ko po, nagamit ko po yung tinatawag nating Facebook advertising. Okay? So, dito po, hindi na ako naghahanap ng mga prospect. Okay? Yung prospect na mismo yung lumalapit, sila na mismo yung nag-i-inquire, sila na mismo yung nagtatanong, and yung gagawin ko na lang is isend sa kanila yung details ng produkto ko, isend sa kanila yung details ng business presentation, at magko-closing. So, yun po yung power ng automation. Okay, so marami pong mga automation tools and softwares na pwede mong gamitin. Pero ito, yung sinishare ko right now, these are the most essential. And after searching and searching, ito po yung kailangan mo lang. When you want to automate your prospecting and inviting, leverage yung tinatawag nating advertising. Gusto mo rin ba na may kasagot agad ng mga inquiries mo pag may magpo-prospect, may mga prospect na nagtatanong sa iyo at busy ka? 'Di ba? Yan po, pwede ka pong gumamit ng Facebook page, ng chatbot, para yung 100 na tao, 50 na tao, isang send lang, follow up mo sila ng paulit-ulit. So, parang ganito, yung automation, yung nagagawa niya is that pwede ka kasi pumunta sa goals mo. No, let's say yung goals mo, pupunta ka sa isang destination, pwede ka mag-bike or pwede kang magsasakyan. Tama? Either way, kung ano man yung gagamitin mo, pupunta ka pa rin sa destination mo. Yung ginagawa ng automation is that, ibig na mag-bike ka, sasakyan ka na lang, 'di ba? Hindi ka pa naman Papa Jack, meron kang machine papunta sa goals mo. Ganun po yung power ng automation. So here's the thing, the moment that you know how you can automate your prospecting, your inviting, your presentation, and closing, ikaw mismo, mahaharap ka sa mga taong willing nang bumili ng produkto mo, naghahanap na ng negosyo mo, meron kang power na ganyan pag nag-automate ka, at the moment that you use automation is that ikaw, yung oras mo, magfo-focus na lang sa pagko-closing at pagko-convert ng clients, tuloy-tuloy ka ng kumikita ng income sa pagbebenta mo at sa pagbi-build ng team mo, at ikaw, makapag-focus ka sa mga mas importanteng bagay kagaya ng pagme-mentor, pagdu-duplicate, and you can do your network marketing business na hindi tali yung oras mo. Mas may freedom ka. Yun yung importante. So ako, nung na-automate ko yung malaking part ng business ko, hindi lang sa network marketing, from the age of 18 to 25 years old, my business earned around 30 million pesos. Yes po. Okay, I have lived a life where I have total control of my time, and I am now living a purpose-driven life. Thank you, Lord. Okay? And I am a mentor na nakapag-empower ng community, hindi lang sa own network marketing company ko, kundi iba't ibang community na gustong umasenso. And this has helped me grow my business. So last 2020, 12 million sales, then naging 47 million sales, naging 18 million sales, palaki ng palaki. And yan po yung naitulong ng automation. Okay? Yan po yung unang-una na na-discover ko na nakatulong talaga sa akin. Okay? Next naman, number 2 na strategy na na-implement ko sa life ko is that I'm very, very open to coaching and mentoring. Ibig sabihin, talagang nag-i-invest po ako sa personal development ko, personal learnings ko. That's why I really invest in enrolling into mentorships, enrolling into different courses and programs. Because tandaan niyo po, at the end of the day, the best investment that you can have is in yourself. Andito po tayo sa industry na napaka-competitive. Industry na dapat kailangan din may value ka na maibibigay sa downlines mo, sa team mo. Kailangan nag-a-adapt po kayo. Kahit ano pa po yung edad nyo, kahit feeling mo hindi ka techie, kailangan mag-invest ka po sa sarili mo. Tandaan niyo po ngayon, nasa digital era na tayo, di ba? Nasa online na. Pag yung approach mo ay outdated na, mano-mano, hindi ka pa rin, kumbaga hindi ka nag-i-invest for this one, mapag-iiwanan ka po talaga. Okay, babagal yung resulta mo, babagal po yung pwedeng mangyari po sa negosyo niyo. That's why for me, I've already spent millions and millions in coaching and mentoring with high-level individuals. And for me, this was the best investment I had. And for the past unang 3 years ko po sa business world, kasi ako lang po mag-isa, trial and error lang po ako lagi, wala po ako napagtatanungan masyado, nanonood lang ako sa mga free, sa mga YouTube, gano'n. Okay naman, nagle-learn ako, pero when I had mentors, when I had coaches, it gave me a shortcut sa life ko. So yung pwede sanang 10 years, 20 years na pag-aaral at trial and error, na-cut down po yun. Kumbaga, na-save po ako from that because I understood the power of having the right mentor, the right coach, na kung ano yung kailangan ko, 'di ba? Yun yung ituturo sa akin at may implement ko. Naiintindihan mo ba? So imagine mo, instead of like spending 3 years or learning it on my own, mag-spend lang ako ng 2 weeks, 3 weeks, tuturuan ako ng tama, may implement ko. Imbis na mag-spend ako ng 3 years, I invested in myself. Then after I-implemented, na-implement, nag-take action ko yung natutunan ko, yung knowledge na yun, yung nagbigay sa akin ng money, ng pera. And yun yung hindi naintindihan ng iba. Akala nila, 'pag nagpapa-mentor sila, nagpapa-coach sila, 'di ba? Ano po, 'di ba, walang returns, pero this will give you the highest returns ever. Alright? Po, 'di ba, na na-relay ko ano yung power ng mentoring and coaching. Uy, instead of relying on free YouTube, Google, 'di ba? Go to the people that kung ano man yung gusto mong resulta, nakuha niyo ng resulta na yun at dun ka magpaturo. Okay? Especially when you want to learn about automation and online, go to the people that actually knows it and have results. That's why ako po naging goal ko, meron akong program right now. It's called the Automated Networker. It has been established since 2022. It is something that I made to move forward, pay it forward. Naging mission ko na rin na kahit hindi own downlines ko, hindi under my organization, iba't ibang kumpanya, naturuan ko po kung paano i-implement yung automation, yung AI sa business nila, and in return po nagkakaroon sila ng resulta. So ito si Christian, pa-quit na sa network marketing, 3 years walang result. Pero po after 1 month of implementing nagkaroon po siya ng 16 downlines. 'Di ba sobrang priceless nun for me. Eto naman si Maricel, 'pag ikaw part-timer ka, mommy ka, feeling mo hindi ka techie, feeling mo hindi ka baka kahabol sa trend ngayon, alam mo po ito po yung nangyari, kumita po siya ng 650,000 in just 7 months time nung naging part po siya ng program ko, naturuan siya, na-coach siya. Now, again, I'm just really sharing to you ano yung power ng coaching and mentorship. And these are one of the results of my own program nung nagturo din po ako sa kanila. Okay, eh, naging top franchise consultant siya sa company nila. So ayan, yung mga naging income niya, naging top 1 din siya sa company niya. Amazing, 'di ba? Ito naman si Elijah, naging top earner siya, nakita yung first million niya, naging car achiever siya. Ito naman si Mark Nile, after 6 months po, another company naman po ito, kumita po siya ng 1 million in just 6 months time. After a year po, kumita po siya ng 2.3 million. Eto naman si Miggy, another company ulit, kumita siya ng 1.6 million and right now 2.5 million na yung kinita niya. So again, these are the people, dinaanan ko lang, iba't iba yung kumpanya, iba't iba yung produkto, pero when they learned about automation, 'di ba? And na-coach sila na maayos, turuan po sila. Yan po yung naging result nila. And for me, that is absolutely priceless and that is the reason that I do what I do right now. Okay? And next naman, last naman na talagang very, very powerful din na na-discover ko that I hope that you can implement for your network marketing business is for you to maximize artificial intelligence. So, most probably, narinig mo na to, yung AI, di ba? And baka yung iba naka-attend na ng mga seminar or courses about this. And once you implement this for your network marketing business, it is truly, truly powerful. Kasi ito ho, tutulungan ka paano ka gumawa ng contents, paano ka gumawa ng mga post, paano ka nga ba kakausap sa prospect mo, mag-handle ng objection, and sobrang dami pa yung pwedeng maitulong sa'yo ng AI. Tandaan nyo po, yung panahon ngayon hindi na po siya paurong. Talagang pa-develop na ng pa-develop at pag hindi mo po i-maximize ito, talagang mahihirapan ka at posible pwede kang mapag-iwanan. So artificial intelligence is a tool na tutulungan ka sa negosyo mo. And ito po, partner po ito ng automation. The moment that you apply automation and artificial intelligence together, truly, magkakaroon ka ng resulta sa network marketing business mo na hindi lang pang-isahan, pang-isang buwan, 2 buwan, kundi consistent na result. So again, yan po yung tatlo na powerful strategies and solutions that I have discovered. Again, it's automation that gave me massive results for my business. And of course, I really know kung ano yung importance ng coaching and mentoring. And last but not the least, no, itong mga pinakita kong mga results sa inyo kanina, yun po yung naging resulta ng mga students na naturuan natin and implementing din yung artificial intelligence. Now, with all the things that I've shared to you, I'm sure you also want to implement this, right? Do you want to implement this sa negosyo mo? Gusto mong malaman kung paano nga ba ito magagawa, pero hindi mo alam kung saan ka umpisa, hindi mo alam kung paano mo nga ba ma-implement, feeling mo hindi mo kaya or hindi ka techie, or you've already tried pero na-disappoint ka and hindi ka rin nagkaroon ng resulta, tama? But here's my advice for you, regardless no, kailangan mag-try ka pa rin. Kasi I believe that this powerful solutions that I discovered, once ma-implement mo yun ng tama and magkaroon ka ng tamang mentor or coach, you can and will have results. So right now, based on the knowledge that I've shared to you, I hope na talagang natuto ka. And moving forward, gusto ko sana na ma-implement mo yan regardless if you need my help or not. But if ikaw, you want to implement this, you can either do it on your own. Yung sinabi ko, pwede ka po mag-self-study, or you want to pwede ka po makapag self-study, mag-search ka sa online, sa YouTube, how to automate, prospecting mo, yung inviting mo, can you advertise, how can you use yung mga chatbots, yung mga Facebook page, kahit na hindi ka pa techie, or you can be mentored by us. You can do it with us because I have a coaching program dedicated for network marketers. And for example, feeling mo you have already seen our program but you don't want to move forward, it's okay because dito po you can have or schedule a mentoring and consultation call with us. If you want to do it with us, so I offer an opportunity na makapag-mentor ka, magpapa-mentor ka in one-on-one with me or my coaching team wherein tutulungan kita sa mga goals mo sa network marketing, ano ba yung bagay or akma sa situation mo, sa gusto mo mangyari, sa produkto mo, sa kumpanya mo. And ito po, dito po, nakafocus sa network marketers and direct sellers. If you have other businesses, then I also have dedicated programs for that, but on this video, I'm focusing on network marketers ho. No? So, yung goal natin dito is ma-assess so that I can show you or I can demonstrate to you on how you can apply it on your network marketing business. May it be through your own, I can give you strategy or with our help moving forward. But here's the thing, our mentoring consultation call is not free. Yes po, hindi po siya libre. Okay, because we give time, we give effort on this one, and at the same time, I know that if ikaw nag-invest ka sa sarili mo sa time na to, you will really block this on your schedule. And ayaw po namin, I have been giving free resources for the past 3 years already. And we want to talk to people who really knows the value of coaching and mentoring. Okay? And we will be giving you strategies that would give you shortcuts. And again, parang ito po, nagpapacheck up ka sa doktor, magbabayad ka ng 500, 1,000 for that consultation or mentoring call because meron kang sakit, di ba? And gusto mong gumaling ka sa sakit na yon. Same thing with this. You have a problem, you have a challenge, and I know that we hold the solution for you to have results and overcome your challenge. That's why, for a very limited time, we will be giving a mentoring and consultation call with us for just 549 pesos only. Yes po, this will last around 45 minutes to an hour. You will have a dedicated coach to you, share all your problems, your challenges, and on this one-on-one, we will give you the right advice, the right strategies, paano mo nga ba ma-implement sa network marketing business mo. And on this one-on-one, if you want to proceed with our program, you will get to know all of our inclusions. But it's okay if you don't proceed, okay lang din because on this call, we will see to it na magkakaroon ka ng solution. Magkakaroon ka ng tamang advice kung paano ka magkakaroon ng resulta sa network marketing business mo na ma-implement or ma-take action mo after. Okay? So again, book a call. Limited lang po itong slots na to. No, I close this video and itong ma-accept lang po namin na one-on-one call every month is very limited. We only accept 15 to 20 one-on-one calls. And right now, our slots are being filled very fast. If you're still watching this video, we have 2 to 3 slots left. That's why go ahead, book your call right now for just 549 pesos only. And the value that you are getting in return is more than 20,000 worth of value and expertise and advice. So go ahead, no, book ka ng call with us so that we can give you the right advice and solution to get results for your network marketing business. That's all, and God bless.